There's never been a better time to migrate abroad than now. 2022 has seen a whirlwind of new visas, new immigration rules, countries opening up their borders to foreigners. It's been quite a lot. Every other day, I bring you new information about new visas that have been launched by several countries, and also countries relaxing their immigration laws to make provision for more foreign nationals to gain easy access to the country. People that are looking to relocate abroad are spoiled for choice right now. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about the new visa changes that Portugal just announced. And these are changes that are going to favor you if you're planning to move to Portugal. Also in this video, I have amazing news for Nigerians. There is this very good news that is specifically for citizens of Nigeria living in Nigeria right now. So if you want to find out all this, then do watch this video to the end. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel where I share content to help you migrate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is simple. I want to help you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities available to you abroad. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. My returning subscribers, I can't forget you. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for all that you do, always coming back to watch my channel, sharing my videos with others. The likes, the comments, the support has been massive. Thank you so much for that. And if you've been watching my videos for a while and you're yet to subscribe, it will mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel. So if you watch more than one video, it's obvious you like my content, so please subscribe to my channel. I really like to have you as a subscriber. You can let me know in the comments if you just subscribe to my channel so I can welcome you specially. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's get to the changes Portugal has made. I'm sure you're so eager to hear them. The first change that Portugal has made is in the area of the family reunification visa. Before now, if you're moving to Portugal and you have a family, your family cannot follow you to Portugal immediately. You need to go to Portugal first and then apply for your family to join you while you're in the country. So there was no provision for dependents to migrate with primary applicants. Of course, nationals from countries that can visit Portugal visa-free were not affected by this. This was only for those countries that needed a visa to visit Portugal. So how it worked was this. You will apply for your visa to Portugal, and when you arrive Portugal, you get your resident card. And when you get this resident card, you then apply for your dependents to join you in Portugal. You could do this through the family reunification visa. This was a practice that was a tad uncomfortable for people because it used to keep families away from each other for at least 3 months. And as Portugal became a hot destination for foreign nationals, you know, this waiting period became longer and longer. We began to see families wait for as much as 5 months before they reunite with their family. So this change in the immigration rules is one that is so amazing. So right now, you're planning to migrate to Portugal with any of the visas, you can go with your family. If you want to know more about Portugal, I have a detailed video where I spoke a lot about Portugal. I spoke about the benefits of living in Portugal, what you stand to gain by being a resident of Portugal. And in that video, I also explained the pathway to permanent residence in Portugal and citizenship as well. And I also talked about the different visas that are available in Portugal. And I have another video about the D7 visa, which is one of the most popular visas that foreign nationals are using to migrate to Portugal right now. Like, nationals from so many countries are taking advantage of the D7 visa. This visa is basically for people that have passive income and retirees as well. So it gives them a long-term residency in Portugal. The initial visa duration is for 2 years and will be renewed for another 3 years when it expires. It's a very amazing pathway. I have a video that breaks down the documents, the requirements, and everything you need to know about applying for the D7 visa in Portugal. I have another video about the digital nomad visa, which was announced just about 3 weeks ago, and it's going to be open for applications on the 30th of October. And the digital nomad visa is basically for remote workers, freelancers, and business owners who their physical presence is not required for them to earn money. So basically, if you earn money from a source that is outside Portugal and you want to reside in Portugal, this visa is for you. I have a breakdown of all the documents, the requirements, and everything you need for the digital nomad visa. And then I have another video about why Americans are packing up and moving down to Portugal. I mean, I have so many interesting videos about this amazing country of Portugal. So you want to know more about the country, you can check out the playlist. It's going to be at the top right corner of your screen and also in the description box below. Portugal has so much to brag about, but somehow it has maintained a fairly low profile. And on my channel, I'm so into throwing light on those amazing countries that are not so talked about. I move your attention from Canada, US, and show you, these other amazing countries with very wonderful benefits that you may not know. And Portugal is one of them. So do watch that playlist so you can know more about Portugal. And now the good news for Nigerians. On the 23rd of September last month, the Portuguese embassy in Abuja announced that they were shutting down till further notice. I got a whole lot of inquiry from Nigerians, planning to migrate to Portugal. I just kept getting daily mails, people asking when they're going to open the office, people that were already in the process of gathering their documents to apply for visas. Many people were actually crushed because they had so much expectation to migrate to Portugal. But right now I'm here to bring you this good news. As of October 26th, it was announced that the Portuguese embassy in Abuja will be reopening. Yes, they are now open to receive visa applications as I make this video. So shout out to all my Nigerians that are planning to relocate to Portugal. You can now resume your relocation plans. You can now apply for your visas to the country. Portugal is so eager to welcome you with open arms. So get right back to your plans of relocating to Portugal. Now, another update that was made in the Portuguese immigration rules is that of the residence permit. Before now, the resident permit was valid for only 1 year, and right now the Portuguese government has announced that the resident permit will now be for 3 years. Yes, from 1 year to 3 years. I think that is amazing. So when you get a resident permit in Portugal, it's now going to be valid for 3 years as against the 1 year that it was previously. And after the first 3 years, you're going to renew it for another 3 years. And before that expires, of course, you'll be eligible to apply for your permanent residency or your citizenship, if you meet the requirements. So I think this is really amazing. So no longer are you going to be required to be renewing your resident permit every year. You can now relax for 3 years without having to renew it. Let me know in the comments what you feel about this good news and if you would like to migrate to Portugal. Alright, I hope this is useful. If you did like this video, do give it a like, that is a thumbs up, and share the video with others so they could take advantage of these opportunities right here. I have a Telegram channel where like minds in this journey to relocate abroad meet, and on that channel we share information, new visas, new pathways, job vacancies, sponsored jobs, so much that will be beneficial to anyone that is looking to migrate abroad right now. So if you want to join that Telegram channel, the link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.